What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel where we talk passive income, stocks, crypto, and affiliate marketing. And before we get into today's video, go ahead and give me that LNS special. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button so we can get more content like this for the people who want to learn how to make a little money online. Let's get into this. Oops, almost forgot. Got to get the disclaimer. This channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. If you need financial advice, please seek the appropriate legal professionals. If you want to read the rest of this in its entirety, you can come back and press the pause button and read this from the top to the bottom. And for reading the title, guys, you know we're about to talk about Clickbank series. We're getting back to Clickbank. We're going to check the account to see if we made any sales so far. And for those of you who are coming here and are new, I pretty much make a video every day showing my Clickbank results. I'm using a method where I'm going to this particular place, which is My Leisure and Secret, where I pay a monthly fee, a one-time monthly fee, and they send me 200 leads a day. Or why are they sending me 200 leads per day? Because I bought the system, which is $60 for the first month, and once you sign up someone under you, you get 200 leads a day. You start off when you first sign up, you get 100 leads per day. Afterwards, you get 200 leads per day once you get someone to sign up under you. A couple caveats is, one, you can sign up under yourself using multiple accounts. As you'll see in a second, I have 5 accounts, and each one of those accounts I'm going to be using to promote the Clickbank offers that we're going to be showing and demonstrating here for you today. And this particular, you can use to get 5 accounts, you can get 10 accounts. I would say at a minimum, get 2 accounts at a very minimum to start this particular strategy that I'm going to be showing you. Again, this strategy is not going to get you rich. This is a strategy that would help you over time. And I would say in probably the next 30, I've been doing it for probably close to 30 days. So probably 60 to 90 days is when you start seeing more and more sales, because once you let your account build up, getting 200 leads per day, 30 days, that's 6,000 leads per month, 60,000 per month times 3 months. That's 180,000 leads that you will have in one single account. If you decide to do this strategy and you have just one account, you can have multiple accounts. And if you decide to use this strategy, that will help you not just with My Leisure and Secret, but with other things if you decide to do affiliate marketing. But let's get into this. As you can see, this is the My Leisure and Secret, but first let's go into Clickbank, sign in and see if we made any sales. I've already made one sale for the week for $5. I made a sale. I've been making sales like every week, so I'm just waiting for the sales to be more consistent. We're getting closer and closer together, and then we'll start making those daily sales, because right now we're just getting one sale per week. I hadn't made a sale this week just yet so far, so let's check and see if we made one in the last day or two, the last 24-hour period, just the last video. So nope, still have the one sale. That was $5. Let me see if it'll go back. The calendar can go back for 90 days. It'll show you that I made 3 sales. Let's see. Okay, we're on that. So as you can see, we made a sale. It was a $12 sale on the 11th, and exactly, well, this is pretty much that time period for the week, I'm assuming. On the 11th, for that week, I made one sale. The week of the 18th, I made a sale, and this week I made a sale. And the reason why they're different, because I'm promoting different offers. I'm only promoting make money online offers, but each one of those offers is different. And all I'm doing is copy and pasting. This is pretty much a copy and paste method. It's pretty easy. Once you get everything set up, it's pretty easy. It doesn't take long. It shouldn't take any more than maybe 15 to 20 minutes per day to do this particular strategy. You just have to remember to send the emails once a day, which, isn't very hard to do. And that's pretty much it. Now let's go to the next part. We're going to go to my account. See, I've made a total of $29.35 in the last couple of weeks. Well, since I have 3 accounts, I'll need a little bit more than that to get back even. Okay, just showing the sales over here for the week. And what we're going to do is, see right here, nothing there. I was checking to see if there was anything else in this particular area, because sometimes if someone gets a refund or if there's a chargeback, it'll show that all right here. So far there's 0, so that's good. So we come back up here, and we're going to go to reporting, which shows the stats of how many people have clicked on the link. It shows you how many people are clicking on your link every single day. And 295, pretty much hops, they call them hops. 332, And so far today we have 181. And what happens is, since even though I didn't send any emails today, the emails that I've sent every day this week and probably previous to that, people are still clicking those emails. People are still opening up those emails. So even if I send an email today, that email can be opened up a couple days later, and it may result in a sale. Maybe they may open it a week later. But because you're sending emails, it's going to inbox. Most people have Yahoo and Gmail. They don't check their emails the exact same day. So the next day you check it, or the next day you're scrolling through it, you may see something that you like, and you click on it, and you may buy something for that particular process. And that's exactly the way this works. Now let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. Come down. Let's see. Zoom plus. Let's see if this is it. No, that's something else. What is that? I have no idea what that is. Okay, looks like this isn't working right now. Okay, nope. I don't know what this is. But okay, we're going to come down here. And I can't really make it bigger, but we come down here. It's showing the clicks. There's 3,000 clicks, 3,000 hops on this particular link. Has 19 order form impressions, and the order form impression is pretty much people going to the checkout page but not checking out. And I have one order through that. Have one total of showing only 2, but there is 3. For some reason, it's only showing 2. That's about it for this particular page. This pretty much shows all your stats. How many people clicked on the link. How many people went to the order form page, how many sales you have, the initial sales amount, and pretty much the vendor's site that they went to. Okay, let's come back up here. I'm going to click on Marketplace. That's going to show the offers. Let it load for a second. This is pretty much where we go when we find all the offers. It doesn't matter if it's a weight loss offer, if it's a woodworking offer. If you have pretty much a YouTube channel, you can come on here and probably find the offer and promote it somewhere on your channel. They even have, I think some of them have the e-commerce offers as well. And for some reason it's taking a little bit longer to load than usual. I'll pause this to come back and it's finished loading. Okay, we're back. Now over here is all of these sections, pretty much the categories. As you can see, there's quite a few. They have sports, they have travel, spirituality, software, self-help, references, politics, parenting, mobile, languages, home and garden, health and fitness. They have quite a few categories you can choose from. Green products, games, fiction, employment, education, e-business, cooking, computers. We're going to use the e-business, and we're going to go to that particular section to get our offer. And what we're going to do is come up to the top. We're going to change rank to the highest gravity. It's going to rank it from the highest gravity to the lowest gravity. And the offer I'm on is the 4th offer, if I'm not mistaken. It's supposed to be on the 3rd, but I'm on the 4th. So this one, I made a sale on this one. I think I made a sale on both of these, or either 2 off of 1. Come down here. I kind of skipped this offer and I ended up going to this one. So this is the one I'm on. I honestly thought this offer would convert more because the front end is only $9 to get started. So I thought that would have more. That's probably where the $5 comes from, because I get paid for the front end offer, which was a $9 offer, and they didn't order anything else after that. So that's why, so that's fine. Because everything I'm sending is absolutely free. I don't have to send. I'm only paying for the leads. I'm not paying for the autoresponder. I'm not paying for traffic. All of my traffic is coming from the email. So this pretty much, it's pretty much a method where you can use where you're only paying for the leads, and that's pretty much it. You can send it from the same exact site that the leads are from. So we come here, since we're on this offer, I'm going to use another one as an example, so I don't have to log into that one, just to show you how it works and where we're going to be getting our emails from. Pretty much click on that, the affiliate page, and we're going to come over here. We're just going to go to email select. That's pretty much where everything is that we're going to be using. And you just click here, and you copy and paste it into the system. Let me go ahead and log into my Legion Secret. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. This is the first one. Log in. Now we'll be leaving a link down below for the for this particular system, My Legion Secret, and also for Clickbank. You can click that as well and just open up a free account. Clickbank is free, and it's not hard to get involved with it. Well, it's pretty easy to get on the Clickbank site. That's why a lot of people go there first, and a lot of people are recommended to go there because it's pretty much the easiest site to get approved for to do affiliate marketing, which is the Clickbank site. So since we're not going to be using that offer, give me just a second to get my email swipes so I can copy and paste them for you. Alright, here's my swipe file that you can pretty much copy and paste those swipes that I showed you from the other page into a notepad and rewrite them yourself to make sure they make sense. And also you will notice that when you copy and paste them, these brackets are going to be different. The brackets in here are going to be different than the ones that you use with this particular system. So we're just going to copy these. It's our subject. We're going to go here. We're going to go to the mailing system. And we're going to press select all. So we can select all leads. On this particular account, I have almost 30,000 leads, which is pretty much an older account. And that's the reason for that. And the subject goes here. We're going to paste it in here. And we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to highlight this, Control A, delete that. Then we're going to come right back to our swipe file so we can get that last part of the body that we're going to copy and paste. And this pretty much the hey first name pretty much just puts their first name in that particular spot. Alright, and copy. We're going to paste that into the body. Control V is in victory. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this out so it's not sitting there. Cut that out so it disappears. You're going to press this button up here. It looks like a chain link. And you're going to put your link in there. Press OK. Now this link is going to be hot. I'm sorry, I did the wrong thing. I did this wrong. You're supposed to do this. And you edit link. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to cut it, copy it. We're going to cancel that, and we're going to delete that. And we're supposed to highlight this. Click here now, and then we go up here and get a chain link, and we paste our link right there. Okay, now that's done. If you want to preview it to see how it looks before you send it off, you can press the preview right here. It'll show you how it will look in the email. I'm probably going to put a couple more spaces in between it so it'll break it up, make it look a little bit better. So let's come right here and maybe right here. Now do the preview. Now that looks better. Let's see. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Close that. I'm satisfied. I always click the perfect time. It just pretty much sends the email at the optimal time that the person is going to be there to open the email. Send email. And now what I do, some people do it different, or you may choose to do it a different way. Just open up my other accounts. I click on that. I right click on log out, and I open up a separate page. And I just copy and paste it from one page to another. Now at the bottom of this page, it's going to show you have to wait 23 hours before you can send another email. So in 23 more hours, you can send another one of these batches of emails to all of your leads. And let's go to here. We're going to log to the next account. Just repeat the process until we have all of the accounts that whichever amount of accounts that you have that you're going to be using. You just copy and paste from one account to the other account, and that's pretty much it. Let's see, we're going to copy these. And also, if you're using these and you forget to put a subject, it will remind you have not put a subject line or your subject is empty, and it won't let you send that email. The only thing, if you don't press target for perfect timing, it'll still send, and if you put in the wrong information, it'll still send as well. So you have to make sure that all the information is correct. Now, even when I copy this and I put it in here, it's going to also copy and paste the link as well, so you don't have to worry about doing that over again. So all you have to do is hit perfect timing, hit send email, and wait for the little notification that you have to wait again. So now you have to wait 23 more hours before you can send another email on that account. So pretty much you do it once every 23 hours and you're done. And once you do your couple accounts, that's it. I'm already on account number 3, which is number 2. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you watched all the way to the end, again, guys, go ahead and give me that like and subscribe. Maybe hit the notification bell. Share it with somebody if you think they need some help. And don't forget, we're going to leave the links down below. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.